At the beach, listening practice.
I am at the beach. The sand is warm. The sea is blue. The sun is hot. I walk to the water. The waves touch my feet. I see small shells in the sand. I swim in the sea. Then I sit on my towel. I eat ice cream and feel happy.
I love going to the beach in summer. The sand is soft and warm under my feet. The sea is blue and looks so beautiful. The sun is shining and the weather is hot. I put on sunscreen so I don't burn. I take my towel and sit on a sunbed under an umbrella. The waves are big today and I hear them crashing on the shore. A seagull flies above me looking for food. I decide to go for a swim in the sea. The water is cool and refreshing. After swimming, I walk along the beach and collect some shells. I see children playing with a bucket and building a sandcastle. A small boat is sailing in the distance. The wind is strong, and I can feel it on my face. Some people are snorkeling near the rocks. I buy an ice cream because it is very hot. I sit down and watch the sea while I eat. The beach is busy, but it is still relaxing. I listen to the waves and feel happy. The beach is my favorite place in summer.
Spending a day at the beach is always a great idea. The warm sand feels soft between my toes as I walk along the shore. The sea is calm today, with small waves rolling in. The sun is shining brightly, and I put on sunscreen to protect my skin. I lay my towel on a sunbed and sit under an umbrella to stay cool. A gentle breeze makes the heat more bearable. I watch a fisherman pulling in his net near the coast. Seagulls fly around, hoping to get some fish. Some children are building a sandcastle with a bucket and spade. Others are collecting colorful shells from the sand. The lifeguard sits in his chair, watching the swimmers carefully. After a while, I decide to go for a swim. The water is refreshing, and I dive under the waves. Some people are snorkeling near the rocks, looking at fish. A few brave surfers are trying to catch the waves on their surfboards. I step on something strange. It's a jellyfish. Luckily, it doesn't sting me. I get out of the water and dry off with my towel. I buy a big ice cream because I feel hot. The wind gets stronger, and my umbrella almost flies away. I put on my sunglasses and lie back to relax. The sound of the waves is so calming. As the sun begins to set, the sky turns orange and pink. People take photos of the beautiful sunset. Boats in the distance slowly return to the harbor. The day is ending, and the beach is getting quieter. I take one last walk along the shore before leaving. I love the beach, and I can't wait to come back.